Well, here we are, the first weekly harvest of winter, and it's not too bad. I've got a few other things that I could have picked, but I've got plenty here, so I left those for when pickings are a bit scarcer. So yeah, I've got spinach for cooking there, a little savoy, a little red cabbage, a few potatoes from the store, some leeks, some kale. These are beetroot, last of the use now beetroots, and these are yacons. These are not the first, but the first big pick probably of the use later beetroot from the ground. Little crown prince squash, Brussels sprouts, first pick of the colettes actually, they're looking really nice, very happy with those. These are my favourite veg for steaming, I really like those. First pick, proper pick of the carrots from the winter bed and spring bed, and I'm really pleased with these. There's no real evidence on any of these of slug damage, unlike last year, so I did work quite hard on that and it seems to have paid off. What are these? Jerusalem artichokes. Now we don't actually get through that many of these in a week, so this is more than a week's supply, but I'm not mad keen on harvesting these when it's really cold and wet, sort of digging around to get them, so I generally pick them just when it's nice and sunny and dry. So that'll last us, you know, three weeks at least probably. Baby leaf beet leaves for the salad mixes, baby leaf spinach for the salad mixes, little carrots for the salad mixes, tomatoes for the salad mixes. This is the first year we've had tomatoes in winter. Look pretty good, quite happy with those. I've got plenty still to come. Rocket, salad rocket, salad onions, and just a selection of alliums from the store. You can see a few of these starting to sprout, which has never happened before, but we've never had probably as mild an autumn as we've had before. And that is it. So nothing like summer, but not too bad for winter. So I'll just make up these salad mixes and then we'll be done. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment Channel. I'll see you soon.